Hi, my name is John Nelson. I teach geospatial technology at Del Mar College. Geospatial technology is global positioning systems, GIS, unmanned aircraft systems. It's an application that's used in many fields, everything from agriculture to law enforcement to geology to geography to surveying, you name it, quite broad. But anyway, we're offering an event. It'll be the 20th annual Coastal Bend GIS Day held at the Center for Economic Development, and it will be Wednesday, November 14th. If you need more information so your teachers and your students can register for this wonderful event, I suggest that you email me, jnelson1@delmar.edu, or you can also contact me at 361-698-1478. I suggest that you look out in your email. You should be receiving an invitation from Del Mar College in regards to this co-hosted event. It's co-hosted by Del Mar College, Texas A&M Corpus, Texas A&M Kingsville, and the Coastal Bend College. So come in and find what you need to know about geospatial technology in your region.